how's it going? Jay here again. I got another unboxing video to do. So, still going and shopping at the directtoolsfactoryoutlet.com. That's where they get the, they have a whole bunch of brands, but my brand, the Ryobi brand, and they had a special the other day for free shipping and like up to 40% off different items. So the free shipping is always good because their normal flat rate shipping is $14.99, so about 15 bucks. So if you're getting something small or whatever off the website, it's not really that great of a deal, but when they do have the free shipping and the sale, it's a good idea to pick some stuff up if you can afford it, if you want it, and if you need it. So let's turn this camera around and see what we got in the box. Oh, look, somebody's being nosy. Hey, I didn't buy you anything. Well, you smells it? This is Paris. She likes to be nosy. Alright, so the box is not packaged very well. It looks like it may have come open. Yeah, see, there's tape under here. It does feel light, by the way. I ordered, a few small things, but I ordered a router. It feels light, I'll just say that, and the box looks like it was opened and retaped. Or originally wasn't taped properly. Let me get a knife. Now, everything I've already ordered from them, I've never had any problem, with stuff missing or really damaged or boxes that aren't taped properly. See, there's tape going across here, but the tape going this way is actually under the flap. So who knows, maybe they just didn't get taped properly from the shipping warehouse. Packing list. So I got, let's see, a Ryobi 10-piece wood spade set, compact router, impact bit holder, magnetic bit holder, 5-piece straight router bit set, power inflator, says Recon next to it. It's a reconditioned. We use them for just dusting and in the shop. And flex shank bit extension. Let's see what's over there. Alright, put this on the floor. I guess it's all here. At least it looks like it. So I picked up the Ryobi One Plus 18 volt compact router, handheld router. Normally in the store, the Home Depot store, the Big Orange store, right now they're $79.99. I got this. This is a factory blemished, which could mean the box is blemished or the product itself is blemished. And I usually order the blemished stuff and never find anything blemished on it. So for $42, I think this was, I went ahead and threw it in the cart for the free shipping. And this is a reconditioned product. This is the blower, the 18 volt. Well, it's an inflator and deflator, but I have one already, and I just use it in the shop for, blowing sawdust around, and just a shop blower. So we just got a second one just to use around the house sometimes. And this was on sale as well. I don't remember the prices. I'll have to put them in the description below, or I'll put something up on the screen one way or another. This is just a straight bit set. So 5/16, quarter inch, 3/8, half inch, 5/8, just straight cuts. And I'm probably going to be using these and the router tomorrow, maybe. working on a project. I just got a flexible bit extension for the drill. Just a couple of bucks, factory blemished. Again, I don't really know what the blemishes are, but you know, for the cheap, I'll throw it in the tool bag. Then I got some long extenders for using the drill and the driver, just to get into those, you know, tight spots that you can't really get the drill all the way into. I'm starting to do some woodworking, so, you know, pocket holes and stuff like that. And then I just got a small magnetic bit holder set as well. A couple of bucks. Why not have an extra set around? And last but not least is the wood spade bit set with a little bag. I have like a couple of these, but this is a nice set. It's got up to 1 inch all the way down to 1/4 inch for the wood, just drilling holes. I'm not going to go ahead and open these all up. I am going to open the router as soon as I move this box. Box moved. Just because I'm going to use this probably tomorrow. I'm working on a project and I want to round over the edges. This is the PCL 424B. I didn't get anything with batteries, so it's tool only. This looks like it might be dust extractor port. In the box, of course, we have the user manual, product guide. We have a wrench to take the bits in and out. And register your product, papers, all that good stuff. File it under R. All right, let me see. Now, I have very limited knowledge of routers. The last time I really used one, before a couple of days ago when I used my stepfather's, the last time I really used it was in high school when I made something in woodshop. So that was, 30 something years ago. Anyway, it's pretty compact. Your height adjustment here. Variable speed on and off. And then this is to move your guide up and down. So you unlock it, twist it to whatever depth you want, lock it in place, and do your routing. So this is the 18 volt 1 plus, so it takes the batteries. They got hundreds of tools that use the same battery. So I'm going to throw a battery right on top and just make sure it turns on anyway. I'm not going to be able to use it here. I'll probably use it tomorrow. Let me get a battery. So it's been a few years since I bought batteries. Usually at Home Depot, they have a $99 battery special. You buy a battery, you get a free tool. This year I didn't. This year and last year I didn't do that. But now that I'm getting more into home repairs, home remodeling, woodworking, and stuff like that, I might pick up some batteries as I'm getting more tools. So the battery goes right in the top. The balance isn't bad. Let me power it on here. All right, so it does work. That's a good thing. I'm not going to do an in-depth review, but it's pretty lightweight, pretty comfortable in the hand. And once I do use it, and along with the other tools I've gotten lately, when I find the time, I will do a tool review. But anyway, I can't tell what the factory blemish is, and I don't really care. As long as it works and doesn't look hideous, Who knows? As far as I'm assuming this is a dust extractor port. Probably gonna go on here somewhere. That looks like it might go right on the front. I don't know. I'll have to look at the instructions. We'll save that for the full review. And let me open up the inflator, deflator, also known as shop blower. Even with, I mean, their products have a 3-year warranty, and their refurb products have a 1-year warranty. It says right on the box. Now I have a refurbished, if you have watched my other video, I have a refurbished orbital sander and a refurbished 40-volt blower, leaf blower. That's up at the house in Vermont. And I haven't had any problem with the refurbished product so far. I mean, I only have 2, now this makes 3, but no problems. So they do stamp all their reconditioned or the refurbished ones with a recon tag, and then this year says January 2024. So you have a small port here. You can actually, this goes on, locks into place, and then when if you need this for a smaller inflation, you just put it on top. Probably will never use this to inflate anything, but it does make a great shop blower. Again, same battery. So you have your inflator here, and if you like inflating an air mattress or something, you use this for it. If you want to deflate it, you put this up to it, and this will suck the air right out. When you pull the trigger, it locks on until you pull the trigger again, and it unlocks. Anyway, that's what I got on this free shipping day from directtoolsfactoryoutlet.com. I'll put a link in the description below. And when I do get all these other things opened and use them, I'll do some update videos and product reviews and a little bit more in depth. Maybe when I get the shop done up and have a decent table somewhere. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video, or just follow along. All right, thank you.